A good school or college sets the foundation for an individual's intellectual growth. This guide will help you in securing admission to your dream college. A good college helps the person to prepare for their ultimate career choices. It also leads to long-term financial gains, job stability, career satisfaction, and success. A good college boosts the personal growth and confidence of an individual. It teaches them to work in teams. Earn good grades in courses which you are going to specialize. Get a good SAT score. Write an effective personal statement for your college application. Letter of recommendation holds great importance, so try to secure good references. Some ways to improve your admission chances are, you should get used to taking a standardized test like SATs, therefore prepare well for them. Take part in different extracurricular activities. Learn to write well. Well thought out and grammatically correct answers and essays increases your admission chances. Crafting a good college application is very important. Every leading college in the world wants to understand who you are and what your future ambitions are. The best approach is to get ahead of time and apply for admission as early as possible. Ask yourself, why do you want to get into this college and what you will gain from this? Read the instructions carefully. Start with a compelling introduction. Avoid cliches. Give good examples to support your ideas. Proofread your application and do a spell check and grammar check. How to get accepted into your dream college. Apply early. Pick various dream schools. Get good grades and test scores. Focus on academics. Build a unique profile which compels the committee to select you. Don't give up if you are not selected or put on a waiting list. Believe in yourself. Practice creative writing skills. Take part in essay and other writing competitions to polish your writing skills. Be honest and authentic. Do not write a boastful essay. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.